I'd now like to take you through question number 4. In question 4, it's a graph where we're going to have 3 intercepts. So what I'll do first up, I'll factorise the x squared minus 4, difference of 2 squares. The y-intercept is going to be 0 at the origin. The x-intercepts, you can see there's 3, 0, 2, -2. And what I always like doing is just to give myself a little reminder of the shape. One of the order of x cubed is going to be looking uphill like that. Obviously, I'll have to do some little humps here. To sketch the graph with 3 intercepts, it's going to take that kind of format. 0, -2, and 2. Like so. In question 5a, we're going to have a graph that's going to have a turning point, one that sits on the axis in a single cutting 0. So probably looking a little like that. The y-intercept occurs when x is equal to 0. So y is equal to a 9th times -3 squared times 6, which will give me 6, or the point 0.06. The x-intercepts, I can read that straight off, 3, which will be a double, and 6. So I now have enough information in order to determine it. By the way, the only time we're interested in turning points in this particular stage of this course is for when we have a turning point at the 0. So this point at 3 will also be a turning point. Sketching up my graph. -6, 6, and 3. I'll have that double at 3. So there's also a turning point at 3, 0. Please notice it is not in our work until we get to the calculus unit to fiddle around with finding turning points. What I don't expect to see are great big huge humps or huge shallow dips in order to get through the 6. A sensible estimated maximum in that case will do the job. In 5b, we've got a shape coming down from the negative positive type area, hitting the graph will be a double, and then slicing it once. So it's one of these graphs with a double intercept, or a turning point, and a single one. For the y-intercept, what I do, I substitute in when x is equal to 0. And in this instance, it's going to give me 8 or 0.8. The x-intercepts, I read straight off the function when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to -2, which will be a double, and a turning point will be the order of the day there. So graph hooking around like so and slicing. As to where the turning point is a matter not for us at the moment.